Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo watch DCA-E, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Maimo Fit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Maimo Fit application. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on device icon, and if your devices are paired together, you should see your Maimo watch DCA-E right here on the page. Now scroll down and tap on notifications. Wait until it's done syncing, and you should see this pop-up if you don't have the required permissions enabled for the notifications to work. So if you see this pop-up, tap on authorize. It will bring you to the other page. Here you need to find the Maimo Fit app, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, and tap on allow. And once you allow the notification access, you can tap on the back button, and it will bring you back to the Maimo Fit, and here we can turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch. And once you turn on the notifications, more options will appear. We have only receive when the screen is off. If this option is enabled, basically if the screen on your phone is on, you're using your screen, or rather your phone, you won't be receiving the notifications on your watch. If it's turned off, you will be receiving them anyway, even though your screen is on. And here we have the apps, list of apps we can enable the notifications for, and we have call. So if you enable this, it will enable the notifications for call, but you will also need to allow some permissions for it to work. So allow, 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 allow. Okay, next we have the messages. Apparently we don't need to allow more permissions for it. And then you have the list of applications, and you can find the app you want to receive the notifications from, and tap on the switch next to it to enable it. And once you enable the notifications for specific app, how it works is basically when you receive the notification, let's say from Discord, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. If you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, you will see it only on your phone. Okay, that's enabled, the notifications are turned on, so it should be working. So now I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. We got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch, and it is here. And you can check it by swiping down from the top of the screen. Here we have it. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.